Tradelle Shopify Dropshipping Tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be giving you a quick overview of the Tradelle.io platform and how you can use it to start dropshipping. Tradelle is one of the most highly rated dropshipping product research tool, and you can get started for completely free, although on the free plan your features will be limited. But you can get an overview of what you could get access to if you were to go onto their paid plan. So you're going to go onto tradelle.io, or I'll be leaving a link in the description, and you can sign up using your email address. After you have created your account, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and the first thing you'll see is the handpicked products. And these are products that Tradelle claim to delicately research with their team, so they'll add products daily. And you can see some examples right here. And because I'm on the free plan, you can see that the latest products are currently locked, but you can see some examples of products that they recommend. The first thing, if we were to tap on the product, you can see a quick description. You can also see the product cost and the selling price that persons are selling it for on their Shopify store, and the estimated profit. And you'll be able to source the products on AliExpress by tapping on Go to AliExpress. You will be redirected to that particular product page most of the time. It's not there at the moment. Or you'll be able to see it on Amazon by tapping on Go to Amazon. You can see it right there. Then by scrolling down, you can search for the different suppliers by tapping on Find Best Supplier. You could search for a particular supplier right there. And by tapping on Go to Facebook Ads, you'll normally be able to view ads that persons are running on that particular product. Now scrolling down, you can also see the shipping cost, so you can change the country that you would like to ship to. And with Tradelle, you'll be able to import the product directly to Shopify. Once you're on their paid plan, you can tap on Import to Shopify. By scrolling down, you can see the product trend over the past few years, and you can also see their saturation indicator. So this basically means how many persons are selling the product at the time. And by scrolling down, you can also see more details about the product. So you can see estimated number of sales and profits, so you can get an estimate if you were to go into selling this product. And you can also see different interests that you may use on your ad copy. So for example, persons that are interested in cats and so on. And keep in mind that the time that I'm recording this tutorial is close to Halloween, which is why this product is being recommended. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on current trends, you can also see handpicked products that they recommend, and these are added daily also. So let's say for example we were to select this product. It is a magnetic phone charging cable. You can see the estimated cost, selling price, and also the estimated profit. By scrolling down again, you'll be able to see how in demand it is, and you can see that it is going up at the moment. You can also see the saturation indicator. You can see the regions that are interested in products like this, and this will help you with your ads when you're setting it up. You can scroll down and you can see more details just like what I showed you earlier. You can also see examples of websites that are currently selling this product. So for example, if I were to select this one, you can see their product page right there. So this will help you to do research, and you can get a quick gauge of the different products that are trending at the moment. So you'll be able to start selling and hopefully start making some money. And if you were to go onto their paid plan, you'll be able to use the Tradelle fulfillment option, and you can connect it to Shopify and other e-commerce platform. So you can see right here, if I were to tap on fulfillment, this service requires a paid subscription, and you can quickly add any one of these products. And again, it is close to winter time when I'm recording this tutorial, which is why you tend to see a lot of these products that are being recommended. So you can import the products and then you can use Tradelle to fulfill it. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And Tradelle is basically a research tool for dropshipping products. Thanks for watching.